Here's the final result. I'm gonna put a side by side of this exact shot when we started compared to how it is right now. And the floor is a little wet, so excuse me, but what an absolute transformation. So today we have a deep clean in the University of Miami, which seems to be an old frat house. Today, it's me and the...
What do you think our fortune is? Let's see.
Me and the senor over here. You already know how it is.
It says, love and connection will fill your night tonight.
Okay, that is not what I wanted you to read to me, but okay.
I do not even want to say that.
Okay, so just to show you what we're working with, we've got a big old mess over here.
Fortune.
A whole lot of things need to be cleaned up here. The kitchen, disaster, everything disaster, but that's what they called us for, so let's get to it. That is fucking... What the fuck is this? So this is a look inside of the fridge. Good God. That is crazy. Oh. The rest of it is not too bad, but this guy right here, I've never seen something like this. This is inside the sink. It looks like someone ate too much lasagna and decided to have diarrhea inside of the sink. So let's keep going, senor. You good? It's a new year.
A cutting board.
You know what book I'm gonna reread?
What?
The Old Man of the Sea.
It's a good book.
This is a good book. For nothing. They're waiting for someone to give them a job.
You think so?
Absolutely.
You think there's no Nobel Prize winner that's in our
Bro, of grinding.
11?
Yeah.
Bro,
Dude, that's mad.
they still, dude, it's alright, dog, if you and me were taller.
West, that guy's fucking 5'8", 5'10" with some Air Forces on, so don't play, dog. We got a 10% update on the job. You got the K master,
trooper,
the K bar master over here working on the blinds. The senorita working on the refrigerator, doing her magic. Look at that.
Doing my magic.
Look at that, how bad it was to how it is now. Most of the garbage is already cleared up. So let's keep getting it. Let's keep going. Wow. The kiss on the neck is the worst one, dude.
you think not the kiss on my neck. Almost committed murder.
I think we've all... Which Chris?
Chris Daniels from the lab.
Cool guy.
Cool guy. And he hunts all the time.
Nah.
All the time.
What is drum called? Little Rocket Man?
Genghis.
He could be a...
just wanted to give an insight on how dirty these fans actually are. Can't really tell from where I have the camera positioned, but you can absolutely tell from here just how nasty those are. And there's 6 of them. Look at this one. Wow. That's why they call the specialist. We can hire it. I mean, we can text that to me. You didn't recover at all. Mid-job update. Everything is coming together perfectly. It's just the floor and a couple of the details that were missing. But for the most part, from where it was to where it is now, the difference is major. So let's finish up here. I'm a vlogger now.
There you go.
I had to stop just after the mid-job update to show you guys the state of this bathroom. Oh my God. Look at that. Dude, how does this even happen? Oh my goodness.
Lock the door for 3 months.
All right, thank you. Welcome.
Dude, I'm gonna get mad reviews right now.
Yep.
That's why I called Kevin back. I don't need his help. What I need.
There's some rose space here. Ooh. Bro, thank God I was holding on.
Just about 95% of the way done with the job. I'll pass it to you right now. Give me 1 second. Here is what we're working with so far. Here's how it's looking so far. I mean, compared to how we came in here and how it is now, clients are super happy. It's a night and day difference. Everything has been cleaned. So, let's talk to you guys just about when we're gonna leave and pack up the car. Well, the job is done. Here's the final result. I'm gonna put a side-by-side of this exact shot when we started compared to how it is right now. And the floor is a little wet, so excuse me, but wow. What an absolute transformation. It's gonna be it for this video. If you guys are ever in need of cleaning in the Miami or the South Florida area, be sure to hit us up through Instagram, Google, YouTube, wherever it is. We got you guys covered. Thank you again for watching, and let's go!